Okay, so let's look at modal verbs. So modal verbs, they are like auxiliary verbs in that they modify the sentence and they change the meaning of it overall, but they express possibility and obligation. But what do those mean? So a possibility is just chances of things happening. The chance of something happening. Chance of things. The chance. 10%, 50%, 90 or 99%. The chance. And obligation. Obligation. What you need to do. Need. You must do. You have to do. Need to do. What you need to do. What you have to do. What you must do. So let's look at some examples. So, subject. Who the sentence is about. So, who. So, Tom. And then modal verb should. 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 A need. Obligation. Needs to. Need. Verb. What's happening. So should repair. Fix. It's broken. Needs repairing. Or fix. Object. What it's about. The phone. Fix. The phone. It's broken, needs repairing. And so notice the word here, should. So he needs to. Maybe has a deadline. Tom should repair the phone by Friday, by tomorrow, by Monday, by tonight. He needs to, he should. Then let's look at another one. So James, subject, who the sentence is about, might. So a possibility, maybe 10%, 50%. Might, maybe, might go biking. Or might ride his bike. So the word here is might. So we have go or ride, a verb, go or ride, biking, so object, biking, and or his bike. Fine. But this word here, might, it shows possibility. Maybe, possibly, perhaps, 10% likely, 50%, depending on time, depending on things. He might. I should, might, let's have could. Could learn Chinese. I could. Possibility. I could. I might. Maybe. I could learn. Learn. Aha. The verb to learn something. Chinese. Object. In this case, it's a language. I could learn Chinese. Yeah, maybe, possibly, depending on things. Yeah, so, modal verbs. They're like auxiliary verbs, that they modify the sentence, and they modify the meaning of the sentence, but they express possibility or obligation. Possibility, like the chances, the chance of things happening, the chance. The chance, or obligation, need to happen, must happen, it needs to happen. Obligation, I need to do it, I must do it. Okay, let's keep going.